My name is Philip Kedge and I'm the director of the McKenzie Friend Network. I'm a retired police chief inspector and I've been a McKenzie Friend since 2012, and all my opinions and views on this blog are entirely mine. Today I'm going to explain to you and give you 5 reasons why your lawyer cannot influence Cafcass in charge arrangements. Firstly, the safeguarding phone call. When Cafcass phone you up initially for the safeguarding telephone call, your lawyer isn't present. They don't speak to your lawyer, they don't phone up your lawyer, they speak to you to get an overview of the issues and initial safeguarding. It's down to you then, once that telephone call is finished, to contact your lawyer and explain to them what's happened, and have to pay the lawyer fees for the privilege of doing that, which to me seems a complete and utter nonsense. Secondly, at the first hearing dispute resolution appointment, you will again have the opportunity to speak to Cafcass. However, Cafcass will not allow your lawyer into the room whilst they engage with you in that meeting. During that meeting, your lawyer is sitting in the corridor. Again, after the meeting, you have to leave the room and go and explain to the lawyer exactly what's happened as best as you can remember. And you're paying the lawyer the privilege for explaining to them what's just happened. At no point have they influenced Cafcass. However, if you have a McKenzie Friend, we are allowed into that meeting and we can assist our clients, because Cafcass cannot insist that a person attends a meeting alone and they're entitled to take a friend with them, which we are in McKenzie Friends. Thirdly, when Cafcass do their Section 7 report, they'll speak to the parents, speak to the children and other professionals involved with the family. They don't talk to your lawyer. They'll base their recommendations on their own analysis and findings in relation to the Section 7 report. Again, it's down to you to explain to your lawyer what's been happening. And a lawyer will charge you their fees for the privilege of explaining to them what's been happening. Again, an absolute nonsense from my perspective. When you come back for the dispute resolution appointment, Cafcass have already done their recommendations. Your lawyer isn't going to make Cafcass change their mind. And all Cafcass want to do at that meeting is to try and get both parties to move forward with positive co-parenting, to see if we can get some agreement around their recommendations. And if you can't, you just go straight to a final hearing. Again, your lawyer isn't able to, or isn't going to, influence Cafcass and get them to all of a sudden change their recommendations. At a final hearing, your lawyer may get the opportunity to cross-examine Cafcass, who are the expert witnesses. They're the experts and the court-appointed social services to actually provide the recommendations. Since 2012, and I've been to countless final hearings, I've never seen a lawyer trouble a Cafcass officer under cross-examination. Never seen a Cafcass officer be fazed. Because they're the experts in the room and they're giving their analysis. And one of the reasons why they come from such a position of strength is that they've used professional tools, analysis and frameworks on which to base their opinions. Your lawyer hasn't engaged in any professional tools, analysis and frameworks. They're just putting questions forward with respect to your view as a client. Cafcass are well used to this. They will never turn around and say, "Oh, you're quite right, I've got it wrong and my recommendations need to be reviewed." That's never happened in the time that I've been a McKenzie Friend. And because Cafcass has such strong weighting, just consider, when it comes to a final order, who the courts are going to listen to and give the most weighting to. Clearly, it's going to be Cafcass and their recommendations. So that's why your lawyer, in my opinion, can have no influence on Cafcass. Which then begs the question, why have a lawyer? My view is you're better off putting those thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of pounds towards your children's education. If you want to talk about this blog or indeed have a chat to me about your case, I'd be delighted to have a 1 hour free consultation. Just give me a call.